Welcome guys to another video, or better say, this is like more of a live stream. So today we will be coding a website using Cursor and Google Gemini. Super excited for today's video. So let me put my microphone far away from me, and we're going to get started coding today. Okay, we're going to, write quite a bit of code. I don't know why my web camera is lagging sometimes. So we're going to get started. This is Cursor and the website is over here. So we've got quite a lot of pages that, for fuck's sake! Okay, let me Okay, so yeah, we're going to get started right now. Okay, so we got all of these pages. We gotta get started cleaning up like loads of these, like all of these have to go. They're really not needed, the majority of them at least. And we're going to have to change a couple of these pages again, because we only need like 2 or 3 of these pages. So we want to do some optimizations, improve some things, have a better code base, better links, and I think that's going to be very important. Okay, we're doing the first changes. Yes, let's just close the window. We don't need it right now running. Okay, so yeah, we're going to remove all of this code. Just click delete, we don't need that. Okay, that's good. We are going to be keeping the landing page for now. Div tools, don't need. Courses, we're going to get the courses page like more centrally. Content creation, we don't need that. So let's continue like removing pages. Okay, so we're going to get started, like we're going to clean up everything first, and then we're going to start developing. So we remove all of these pages again, and we're left with around 3 to 5 main pages. Okay, so yeah, we got all of these pages. One is the airdrops, the other is the AI tools, courses, and homepage. Okay, for the API, we're not going to need these two. We move them to the bin. Okay, action, we don't need that. For course, we've got some specific components that we use for the course page. I think we need that for now, but we may remove it in the future. Dynamic menu, we need that. So we've got a variety of components over here. Some of them are SATCN components. Yeah, we are going to have to clean up the code. That's essentially one very important thing that we will have to do. So, all right. Let's see, what else? We've got this content that fetches the list. Okay, I can live with that. So I think the first thing is actually changing the homepage. So the homepage is not bad. It's a very good looking homepage, but it doesn't reflect the information we want. So essentially what we want from the homepage is to move into a different direction. So let's get started with it. We've got this home client. So we've got this client side thing, and we really need to change the homepage. So let's do npm run dev. So we can test out a little bit if everything is loading, if we didn't like delete something very important. and just to see exactly what we will have to change. So the page right now looks like this. It's not a bad looking page, but we really need to simplify it. The idea is very basic. We will have like a profile at top, then we will have like 2 courses, then it's going to be community, and then a bunch of tutorials and social media. We're going to go bare minimum with it. I don't want to complicate anything. I want to make it as simple as possible, so the viewers and the users that get into this page navigate easily and fast. So if we go into the courses tab, we can see that already we've got something like that. So we've got like a basic page that brings you to courses, that brings you to whatever you want to do. So it has the Meet Your Instructor, like we can base our homepage to this like development. So yeah, I think like this would be like the best option, and I can add clickable links for my favorite AI tools. So you can navigate to the actual tools. We've got the coding courses. I will probably change this because I want you to navigate only to 2 specific courses. And we're going to have this as well to join the free community, and this development to add link, and all of the other things. And this will be probably for WOP. So this community will link to WOP. We will also have Discord. But this is kind of good, like as a good basis, this landing page I think is pretty good. So we have to bring it to the top of the website instead of just having it on a sublink. So we are going to get started with that. I don't know, maybe we actually need the VSL, maybe not here, maybe in another page. We will see about that, but I want to get started like fixing the page. So this homepage, I'm not really sure if we really need it. So if we go to this homepage, I actually like this element, but I don't know, maybe we need the FAQ. Maybe we do, I don't know. Maybe the footer, but pretty much after that, nothing else. So I think from the homepage, I don't know, what am I going to leave? Like, okay, we've got the client side. I'm going to get the rating into the courses tab. I'm just going to keep the rating because it looks nice. What else does the client page have? It has a call to action, FAQ accordion. Okay, the FAQ accordion we can keep. I like that as well. But you know, after that, I really don't know what else we should keep, in all honesty. Like, page layout has a navigation bar, has a footer. All of these are pre-made, preset. We're cool with that. I don't think we need to change, these things. So I would say that the homepage can now, I don't know, maybe get deleted, or maybe we should actually move the courses into it. This theme, is it even used? I don't think so. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and delete these. I'm also going ahead and move this over to homepage. Okay, so we got the courses, update all of the imports. We're not going to use the courses menu. I'm going to remove the courses menu. I'm also going to remove the courses. Okay, so we already are simplifying quite well, I gotta say. Okay, let's remove this link. So it's linking to the homepage. We're also going to change that link over here very soon, but let's leave it like that for now. So everything here is fine, I guess. So we're really got to check like what's the problem. So failed to compile, failed to read source code app/pages, client side, cannot find the file specified. Okay, so it has like some kind of error while trying to read the client side article, which is a little strange. I mean, why would it have this kind of problem? Okay, let me terminate. Let me do npm run dev again. Okay, let's see. Has it changed? Is it fixed? Okay, so there's some kind of problem here. So module not found, cannot resolve pages. Okay, so this is like the home page / client. Okay, for some reason it says client slide here while we want client side. Update the imports, should be better now. The page tsx just goes ahead and loads it essentially from the pages client side. It should work. I don't know why it has a problem. Okay, so we changed the actual landing page, which is good. I mean, looks good. Looks nice. I think that's as a good basis for our website. What we try to create. Okay. And we have like a YouTube video here. So this points to YouTube. This points to courses. So it just gets you down here. So here we will have the free courses. So I think this is a good step right now to, start evaluating what we're going to do. So, okay, this is the course menu, dynamic menu, interfaces, tool layout. I don't know. I don't know if we really need all of these things. Like, there's so many things in here. It's so complicated for no reason at all. Like, man, this is so bad. This website is so complicated right now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I have a footer here. Okay, that's good. Email. Okay, so this is literally the landing page. And the footer is a very simple one. And we don't really need a more complicated footer. So what our community says, in all honesty, like this is not even true at this point. So, I'm going to delete the testimonials bar. And I want to see, okay, so it's from course testimonial. In all honesty, I really should fix like so many things. Oh my God, this is so fucked up. Okay, so we got these pages, I think. So we got this course. There's so many fucking things in here. Like it's not even easy to use. It's really fucked up. So fucked up. Selling banner, everything you need to know, completely free. Okay. There are a lot of things. Okay, so I'm going to get started by removing this courses page, which we don't need. Let's remove this router, this and this. So in all honesty, I really want to just simplify everything. I really need to have simple things that are focused, and that's all. Like I don't need 1 million things showing up, popping up to the website. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, so good. This is a better landing page, maybe. Ready to master AI development, join our free community. Okay, so we can click to join, which could really just be used. Maybe we can concatenate all of these things. I don't know. Okay, so we got AI coding courses. So we're going to change this And this is a section header, which is on the UI components. What is even this thing? Why do we even have this? Okay, section header, just the courses. Maybe I should go to courses right now, configure, like go to this navigation link. I get that, good, courses. And we're going to be offering actually 2 main courses. So I want to have like 2 courses. Let me show you which ones. Okay, so our computer is lagging a little bit, which I don't like. Like, I don't know why it's lagging so much. So yeah, we're going to be offering 2 main courses. So from these 2 main courses, really only one is actually live right now, which is a little insane. Okay, so I think cursor is overloading a little bit. I think that's what's happening. Oh my god, it's so difficult. This fucking thing is so difficult to manage. Like, let's zoom out a little bit. Like, it's so much easier when you're zoomed out. Okay, so this is the tools section. Oh, it's so fucked up. I really need to organize all of the things here. Beginner. Okay, build websites fast, missing data, Python, NumPy. Crypto and NFTs, free crypto 101, master airdrops for beginners. Okay, I want this. I really want this. I'm going to delete all of the other ones. I don't need them. Okay, so we need really just 2 simple courses. And in all honesty, I'm not exactly sure that we need it like this. Maybe we do, I don't know, maybe. Okay, so, all right, we're done with this. We got the AI tools, some constants. Oh, it's so fucked up. Slug, and we got the slugs with all of the information and all of the markdowns. That's probably fine. I guess I should not really mess with the AI tools and the rest of these things right now. Dynamic menu, sidebar, tool card. We will leave these. Maybe we don't need this configuration file anymore. Advertisement. We're going to delete the advertisements. We don't need them. And I'm going also to the main layout page. Fetch metadata, fetch preview. Okay. File conversion page. Okay, we can delete these. Like, I'm trying to clean up a little bit code because the code is really a fucking mess right now. A fucking mess, in all honesty. Like, it's so bad that I absolutely hate coding in this thing. It's not good. It's not good at all. Okay, so we got like a main page. That's a major change actually. So let's try and get a preview of what we changed, because it might be such a bad, difference in the final example. It's going to look very bad. Okay, so it probably seems fine right now. Okay, so this is like the main page. Maybe we can do 4 or 5. Let's check that. Does it zoom in a little bit, or is it still small? Okay, so I guess we don't need this at this point. Okay, no change is happening. We can delete that. Good. Okay, so it seems like the code is starting to become a little better. Navigation bar completely, we can leave that. Just delete. Flyout menu we can also delete. Really, I'm trying to clean up the code at this point. It's not even doesn't even make sense. Actually, this is not used. all of this thing is not used. So yeah, let's go ahead and just keep deleting things. If we don't need these things, we don't need these things. It's a little scary always to delete things that you have created in the past, but it's really only the way forward. There is no other way. If you don't clean up things, you are just going to be using them again and again, and it's so tiring trying to have all of these pages together. Like, we tried to create something amazing, but it was so complicated that it was really unusable at the end of the day. Yeah, so I really don't know which ones are used. So I guess this course thing is used. Seems quite fine. I don't know if AI tools use any kind of the things we deleted. Yeah, they do. That's fucked up. It's going to fuck us up so hard. I get the thing how to fix this problem. So yeah, maybe we go with a sidebar provider, and that's the end of the story. AI tool links are not needed. Okay, whatever. Slug. Yeah, we're going to delete these, and again here just delete these two things and these three things, and maybe go with a similar way. Okay, so page URL, we actually have this, but it's a little changed. Okay. We can remove the investing thing. Yeah, let's... Oh my god, this is really, I'm doing my life so complicated sometimes, like trying to have the best ways forward, like creating the best coding thing. Sometimes it's so bad, in all honesty. It's really bad. Like, you try to create something nice, something good looking, something that you can continue using as the future goes forward, but it becomes in some cases so complicated that you just have to scrap and make it just easier to use. At the end of the day, it's some things are so complicated, like I cannot even tell you how complicated this specific page is, like in so many iterations and in so many cases. It's absolutely insane just to try and keep it alive, like keep it usable. Yeah, I don't know what to say. In some cases it's very, very bad. So we're going to be using this slash airdrops maybe to check out the final result. So this is like an airdrop list. Yeah, it doesn't look good. It needs a little bit of fixing, but we're going to make it happen, hopefully. So yeah, claims, it should open up like a page with claims. Yeah, it does. Okay, so I guess it's working at least, but yeah, there's a lot of things to fix. So AI tools, yeah, that is also working. And you go to AI coding tools, and yeah, you got like DeepSeek Coder, and yeah, it is what it is. It's not perfect. It's not the most amazing thing you ever seen. but yeah. All right, so let's continue moving on with all of the things. Okay, so let me see. Let me see. We're going to have to make so many changes, but you know, this is the exciting thing. Like, it's so complicated. The things that we have to fix in all of these pages are quite complicated, in all honesty. Like, there are not easy things to change, create, fix, but it is really what makes the whole endeavor worthwhile and, in all honesty, really exciting. Really exciting. So, okay, this is the tool cards. Let me check what other dependencies exist. So it's mainly UI and dynamic menu and some constant pages. UI sidebar, dynamic menu. So maybe I can remove like one of the main tool cards. So yeah, let me just do that. Okay. So this is an FAQ, card data. Okay, so this is the landing page. We can delete this. We can delete this utility card. This rating looks good. I really like it. Markdown, we need this. Linux icons, Windows, we can delete this as well. Footer, I think this is the footer that is used on the homepage, or do we have a different one? Okay, so we got this footer, so that footer can go as well. Really, this site is becoming so much easier to use. We're cleaning up loads of things right now. Yeah, it's going to look good. I think we should not worry about it. Okay. Okay. Feature section, I don't know, do we want this feature section? Okay, let me see what we have right now. What is the course page, how it looks like. Localhost 3000. So master AI, we got this. Learn today, maybe this should go below. Favorite tools. We got 2 courses here. Maybe we have to split them a little better. Okay. So when I click this button, is it clickable? Yeah, okay, so it's clickable. And it goes exactly. Okay, I guess that makes sense. Stay updated with AI developments. Yeah, we can have like this. Okay, it looks good. It's not like perfect, but I'm really fine with it. At this point, it doesn't look bad, and maybe we can work a little bit on it. So learn AI development, subscribe on YouTube. weekly AI tutorials, meet your instructor. Okay. Network services, AI journey today. I like this. Real AI apps, AI development. Yeah, these two also make sense. I really think all of these components should be a little bit combined. In all honesty, like, okay, you got this. Okay, learn AI powered applications. Doesn't look bad. It looks good. I like it. I have no problem with it. This looks good. Okay. Maybe we have to put subscribe on YouTube and browse free courses in this space. So maybe we have to get these from this point. Let me see exactly what I have to do. So maybe move these elements from this file into a different one. Like, let's add this, and we got hero section. I don't know. Is it the hero section? What we're asking? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to add here the navigation links. So you can see here this bar of the two links. Maybe I can like remove these two and add the other two potentially. So let me try that. Let me try it like that, like the easiest way possible, just copy and paste. I've still have not used AI. You have been seeing me for like an hour doing things. I have still not used AI because these things, you don't want AI to do them. What I'm doing right now, you don't want AI to do. So browse free courses. Yeah, so what is it lacking? I think it's lacking a little bit the spacing of the applications. So yeah, let me do Control X, go back. So we need the previous links just to see the exact like CSS that we have to use. So I think what is different is the inline flex. I think you need that. So let me try add inline flex. Let's just save this as a comment. Fuck's sake, how am I writing a comment in JSX? Okay, whatever. Okay, so a little better. Item center, maybe we need that. Text large. Medium background. What the fuck, like, why is it so big? Doesn't make any sense why it's not working. Like, oh my god. Okay, free courses, browse courses, subscribe. Subscribe. I guess that's a little better. Let me see if it's dynamic a little bit. Yeah, it is. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I get that. That looks a little better. So we can go into the video section and like remove this div. Okay, so meet your instructor. We jump essentially to this step, which is meet your instructor. Okay, so we've got me, master 100% AI stuff. You can like subscribe or navigate to courses, section. I think the courses are a bit too down, in my opinion. Like, I want them a little bit more centrally, and the Meteor instructor is also important. I don't want it hidden, but I don't know. Maybe after learn AI development, maybe we have the courses just to have them a little bit more visible. So I'm going to go with video courses. Yeah, so yep, we got the courses. So let's work a little bit on the courses section. I'm not going to do anything insane. I'm going to go with large 2, 2, and 2. So 2 courses. In any case, even for mobile, you will have 2 courses, one alongside the other. Simple as that. Nothing super complicated. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. Like, very simple. You've got 2 courses, and I don't know really about the length. I'm not sure. It looks fine. Maybe the course card could be a little bit bigger. So this is the max width. Yeah, I think the image, I don't know, max width. Okay, let's ask AI. Let's ask AI. Okay, so my card on full screen is too wide. The image is cut off. How to make the whole image be shown? Okay, so let's ask that. Agent and edit rely on custom models that not get built. Please use or disable API keys. Oh my god. All right, so we're going with ask because cursor does not allow me to do what I want to do. Doesn't matter. Unauthorized API key. Oh, come on. Really, right now, I cannot even use this thing. Oh my god. Okay, let's go to GitHub. We're going to use Visual Studio Code. Man, this cursor thing, I just absolutely hate it. Okay, so this is GitHub. Let's just open up the correct folder. You know, AI coding sometimes it's so tiring. Like, this is a real brain fuck of mine right now. I absolutely hate when these things happen. I really hate it. FAQ card, yeah, you can delete this content thing. Public, we have to clean that up as well. Layout. Okay, let me delete these as well. Let me open up GitHub Copilot, come on. Oh my god, I'm wasting so much of my time with fucking bullshit. It's so fucking disgusting. So, alright. Let's not freak out. Let's just keep our composure. It's, you know, sometimes you try to create things and they become so fucked up. So fucked up. But no matter what, you gotta keep pushing, man. Like, there's no other way. Nothing worthwhile is actually easy. Everything worthwhile has some kind of difficulty in it. So you gotta keep pushing, man. Like, you cannot give up. You cannot stop. What the fuck is lovable like that? What the fuck? Okay. Okay, so we got these courses. We're going to change how big these courses look like so they become a little bit more stretched out. So my courses cards are looking a bit too widthy and not very lengthy. Can I attach an image? Hopefully I can. So let me give it this example. Nah, I can't. Okay, I can. I want them to be I want the images of each card shown in a good resolution. Yeah, if the images are okay, then everything is fine. So let's try this out. Let's see what Copilot says. To address the issue of cars being too wide and not length enough, and to ensure are displayed in any good resolution, it will adjust the dimensions of the card. Okay, let me update the course card component. Is it even working? Yeah, please do. Yeah, please do. Please change the card component. Mr. Agent, do you need me to talk more with you? Like, what the fuck? Just fix it. Okay, so here, what did it change? Oh, it changed the height. All right, let's give it a look. Let's go with height 80 because we want like these thumbnails to be shown in full. That looks a little better. That looks a little better. Maybe we can like do some changes with the text and maybe have like a little bit bigger text. Okay, make H3 and P a little bigger. Hello guys, welcome back to the live stream. Hello, I see 3 people in the chat. Nice. Hi guys. Well, I'm building my personal landing page. We've done these live streams in the past, but you know, I really want to spin up a new separate website that is going to be 100% created for all of the people in here. So I think that's going to be a lot more nice. And it's going to be split from the current website that I have with this, which is NoFX Services. On NoFX Services, I will be building an AI tool, which you will be able to use, and it will be very, very nice. So, you know, you will be able to use my own AI tools, and essentially this website will allow you to use AI as cheaply as possible on the internet. Like, we're not making it for profit actually, just to bring out, you know, AI and nice capabilities. And NoFX Services will be essentially AI tools that will be complementing all of the tutorials of this website. So we are going to be building tools just for you. So we can automate a lot of things a lot easier than other people do. It's going to be niche. And the website that I'm trying to create right now is like the tutorials and newsletter and blogs and personal brand website. So I'm trying to split these things so I can work a little bit more smartly. But yeah, so it changed the fonts of these 2 things. So yeah, it looks a little bit bigger. So got also the AI coding. So here on the section, I think we need to change here the courses. Something is missing. That's my point. Something is missing here. So the title, okay, section header. Is this something created by... I don't know, something is missing here. Like you can see learn AI development, it's so big. It's so fucking big. This is hero video section. Okay, this is big. This is age 1. We got too many age 1s. Maybe that's a problem. Maybe that's a problem. Like maybe we need to put age 2 here. Let's go with age 2. Age 2. Yeah. I think this is more correct. Like age 2, it's not like, and it's again for Excel. So it's a big H2, like it's big. This is sounding a little strange, like this is big. Sorry for that. Text Excel, don't know. This feels bad. I don't know. I don't like it. I think we're missing something. We're missing something. I'm not sure what, but we surely do miss something. So section video, section header, I don't know, what are we missing? Something is wrong. There's something here that I don't like. Let me view this source code. For Excel, here we got again for Excel, div center. Oh, so it changes. Oh, it changes the text according to the resolution. Okay, so it has a different... Okay. I have it. I got it. Easy to fix. Let me do it. Let's just take this. Just go to video section. Okay. Let's put that in. Okay, so I'm going to use track type text for Excel. And let me also do this thing. So instead of for Excel, we're going to do 2, 3, maybe 2 and 2, maybe 2 and 2. Comprehensive practical courses to help you master AI. Yeah, okay, I get it. Maybe too much. Track type, tracking type. There is bold here. Why do we have font bold? Let's remove that. Okay, that's a little better. You see? Nice sizing, nice courses, nice things. That looks better. So this is like the courses page. We have like 2 specific colors. I don't know if we really want it to be black. That's an issue that I have. I don't know. Do we want it to be black and purple? Should we go with white and blue? I think white and blue is a little bit more professional. I don't know. I really have to think about this. But okay. We have the courses, we have an introduction. There's something wrong with this Meet Your Instructor thing. Let me check it out. Let me just give it a quick check. Where the fuck is it? Hello, friend. Hi, Leo's Bricks. Hi, my friend. Hi, Leo. How are you? Let me try and fix the instructor part. So MB6 gradient. There's something wrong. Something is cutting it off. Let me give it a test real quickly. MB. What the fuck is wrong? Is it the div? No, it's not. Meet Your Instructor. Font bold. No, that's fine. Line height. Why line height 1? Line height 1. Why would we have line height 1 here? Okay, so this is 5XL. but we never had like 5XL anywhere. Okay. So instructor, H2, yeah, 4XL. I don't know. What the fuck is wrong? Okay, we need again the CSS, this CSS. So this is the sizing of the CSS, font bold. Yeah, that's the sizing we want to be using in pretty much everything. What programming languages are you using? So what we're using in here is Next.js. It's JavaScript, a framework of React.js. Is this a vibe coding stream? Yeah. We're using AI, but not for everything, because right now I'm refactoring mostly. But yeah, AI is a very important part of this, process that we do, in all honesty. But in any case, this is vibe coding from a person that knows how to code, so it's not 100% vibe coding. There is a vibe coding part, but sometimes I'm just actually coding. Like I'm actually fixing these things and improving them without vibe coding. Because vibe coding is great, don't get me wrong, but when you want, some specific details and fixes, you just don't vibe code. It would be wrong if you vibe coded. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like this is the general idea. And yeah, the process and what we're doing is really creating my personal website. This will actually be published and it will be a website. So the main thing is achieving consistency of, the sizes of everything that we create. That's very important. Like when you have a website, consistency is very important. And just, making sure that we keep the things that we need and remove all of the other things. Okay, so let me think. What do we really want in this page? This page looks very nice in my opinion. I also vibe code some functions. Yeah, vibe coding saves you so much time when you know exactly what you want to do, in all honesty. But vibe coding after a specific point is very bad. Like it can completely get you in the wrong direction. Like you may, I don't know, like in my opinion, you should not be vibe coding everything. Just vibe code the basic and, vibe code the things that you already know that you will be doing and you will be using. Okay. So, Meteor instructor. I don't really like this muted style. I think we need to have more white, but okay. Browse for courses. Start your journey today. Yeah, we need to fix this. Selling banner. Start your AI code today. New courses added. No, we don't need this. We don't need this section. Let's remove it. So it should remove that button. Yep. Start your journey today. You learn these things. This is my AI tools. I will leave this in the end. So we have to change a little bit the structure of the page again. This is so boring, I know. So features, I like this, keep it there. Selling banner, then it's features. So it's favorite AI tools. We can have that there. Email, CTA, footer. Okay. I think this structure is a little better. So start your AI journey today. Vibe coding is okay to save time sometimes, but you should know. Yeah, exactly. Vibe coding, if you know what you need to code, saves you time, does it, test it, boom, move on. Start your AI journey today. Okay, we need to fix the selling banner. Like the text, the main text actually is not correct. So we really need to place the correct CSS. Oh my God, so many fixes to do. It's absolutely insane how many fixes we should do. And I have a small expectation that I used completely old code instead of the correct code. I have an expectation that I forgot to do git pull, which is bad. Start your AI journey today, stay updated, meet your instructor. Yeah, everything looks a little bit zoomed in. I get it. Some people may not like it, but I absolutely love that. Boom. When you scroll, you got a new section. Boom, boom, boom. Ready to master. Nah, I really think this should move entirely on the last page. Let's just move the call to action. This is the call to action, yeah. So call to action should just be before the footer. Like last option. You either join right now, you miss forever. So I think the landing page looks nice. I think it looks good. Maybe we need more separators. In some places, we miss the separators. We should have, I don't know. Where should the div separators be? Okay, so you got to start the function with this border t, border, whatever. So where do we miss this? We miss this on the stay updated with AI development. Fuck. Okay, so there is border T already. Suggested tools, border. Navigation, border. Everything has it except one. Are we ready right now? Seems like it. Nice. One question, I only build simple page web apps. Should I start splitting everything into many? Yeah. Well, I mean, look, this might, seem like a single page application, all right? It is really a one page application, but if I scroll, you can see quite a lot of things. And I have componentized most of these. Maybe it's a little bit overkill, but the idea was that this would not be a single application, a single page, because essentially I have took this code out of another website that I have. So this was a pre-made code that I try to adapt right now for the new website. So that's why I had split everything into different files. What I really like about separate files is that AI tools, get smaller context. So I can place like only these 23 lines and do a change very specific, and it costs a lot less. While having to have all of these in a single file, it's going to read a lot of context and input that is not really needed. So by having separate files, you avoid that. And in all honesty, if I want to change something in this field, I just read it. I read the file name and I find it exactly. I find it like one click and I have like the code in front of my face. Whereas if you have them all in a single page, you will have to scroll, Control F. It's a little more complicated, but would it really matter? I would say it doesn't really matter at this point. Like, who cares? If you have to scroll, just scroll. Doesn't matter. But yeah, it's up to each person and how they like to work. So there is a very big problem here on my website, and I really don't know how to fix this problem. So here we can see the CSS, but it's going to be completely fucked up if I really want to start fixing things. It's going to be so fucked up. Because I will actually remove this rating. We don't need it. There is also this features section. I don't think we need it. So I'm going to remove that. We got the UI. We don't care about that. To layout. I'm not sure that we use this, in all honesty. I think we can remove that. Let's do remove. Configuration file, this is no longer needed. So this layouts page, this interfaces page, they can go. We got this tool card, we got this background, yeah, blah, blah. Okay, so got some UI components here, but you can see that most of these don't use the code, the colors that we have specified on the global CSS. So this is going to be problematic because I really want to change the color of the page. I really want to completely make it more beautiful, more good looking. And I'm not really able to do that right now. Like, I think it's going to crash. But I don't know. I like the block color. I like the coloring of the website. It looks nice. But yeah, I really don't know if this is the way forward. I really don't know. We got the courses here, 2 courses. Both of these courses like point. Okay, so this is not AI coding courses. I'm going to change the title. So this website is based on airdrops and on AI tools. So this is the main, the 2 main themes. So we go to courses. So we do available courses, comprehensive practical tutorials. Yeah, this is a problem because this landing page is focused on AI, but I have like this course. Yeah, that's I don't know. Fuck, I need to make different landing pages. Oh my god. That's going to be a struggle. That's not going to be easy. Yeah, we don't really need a courses menu, community, YouTube. What is the most important feature when it comes to file management? I don't know, man. Just use the regular system of directories. You don't need to do anything else. As a code editor, literally, I think Visual Studio Code is one of the best editors. You can literally just, rip it off, in all honesty. Like, if you go with the Visual Studio way of directories, you're good to go. Maybe you can also search for IntelliJ. IntelliJ also has a very nice file system. Maybe it looks visually a little better, and it has some keep bindings that allow you to search the file system a little easier. It has like double shift. You click shift 2 times and you can check all of the code base very easily for keywords. That is super useful, and it's not available in VS Code. So yeah, you may, I would suggest that you go and check these things. Like, it would make complete sense and it will help you with what you are building. So we're missing a navigation bar here, in all honesty. We're missing a navigation bar. But let me check if I can just fuck my way out of this. Maybe I can. So this is airdrops guide. You go to airdrops. Okay. False. Is this working? Oh, it fucking worked. Okay. So it fucking worked. This is insane. Man, what the fuck? Okay, so this is the nav bar. Okay, so the nav bar needs a lot of fixing. It's so bad. It's so bad. I don't even know how to fix these things. I mean, I know, but it's so boring to fix these things. Like I have to go over all of the files 3 to 4 times. I will not do it today. In all honesty, I'm not going to do it today. This is NoFX services. Yeah, it's Aero University. Yeah, I may have to create dedicated pages. Thanks. Of course, man. Happy to help. Anyway. Okay. Oh my God. This is too big. This is too big. Maybe like that. Yeah, that looks better. I like that. Let's go over to the navigation links. Okay, so we're going to go with text extra large in all of these. Okay, that looks better. Text foreground. Yeah. Not perfect, but I like it. Yeah, I like that. I like this. That looks good. That looks good. I like this. Okay. We got the CTA here, join the amazing community. I think we should go with a little bit more lengthy titles. Like let everything flow a little more. Like this is fine. We can let this thing flow a little bit more. W full. Okay, so we got the full background, but something is restricting it, and I don't know why. So the layout here is full, the page here is full, the thing here is full. Okay. For some reason, the window cannot take the full width. Like, for some reason, something is going on. Okay, so this is the full window. Okay, so this is the max width. Should we go with max width? Maybe we shouldn't. Well, I mean, it's kind of fine. I think it's fine. I think it's good. I think it looks good. Should I mess more with it? I think it's fine. Yeah. I think, for a beginning, I think it's good. Maybe, fix the AI blog and the airdrops guide, and maybe just created 2 dedicated landing pages for the courses. And I think it would be good. Like, you have a landing page, you got the courses, and you're pretty much done. So if you click subscribe, it points you to my YouTube channel. I think the landing page is good. I think we should not overcomplicate things because this works nicely. This works well. This works well. So yeah, I think for a first step, this is good. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think I'm quite right. Like, this is fine. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to finish the live stream right now because I'm quite tired. We did good progress in the past, like 1 hour and 10 minutes. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.